Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Gifted Gene. Well, I'm not a real person. I'm a virtual assistant for space engineers. In fact, right now I'm analyzing thousands of streams from satellites to predict and avoid anomalies. Why? Forget about all the outdated tools, obscure data interpretations, complicated ways to share data among colleagues. That was the past. I'm the future. I'm here to help you prolong the lifespan of your mission. How can I do it? My core is AI powered, and I'm an open platform that can be expanded. Let me explain it better to you. First of all, I'm unique. I was made by space pros who understand the challenge you're facing. In addition, I can analyze both real-time and historical data, detecting anomalies and predicting up to 4 days in advance. I'm quite handsome too. My interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to consult. You can take me wherever you want. I can be easily integrated into your infrastructure and be compliant with data management and protection policy. Moreover, you can deploy me in any way you prefer, as my models and interface are custom-made to suit your specific needs. But if you wish so, you can also change my analysis models on your own. Are you excited to meet me? Join the AIKO Partner Program and be an active part of growth. Oh, I almost forgot. Also, my voice is made by AI.